festive cheer all around us, and it's October, the season of festivals, and there's festival frenzy in the air as well. We are at one of the Durga Puja pandals in CR Park in Delhi. So what does Durga Puja really signify for you, Sumita?
Right, so as you rightly said, we're here at CR Park, which is the hub of Durga Puja activity. Lots of pandals have been put up here as they do every year. This is also happening after a hiatus of 2 years of the pandemic, so all the more special. People are really reveling in activity, festive fun, lots of feasting also happening. And let me show you what's behind me. Well, behind me is a statue of goddess Durga, clearly signifying victory of good over evil. So the battle of good over evil, but also another battle that's playing out right here in all the pandals across CR Park area, which is the battle of brands jostling for consumers' attention. Local, national, regional brands all here to jostle for consumers' attention. Of course, we're now joined by one of the organizers here, Lippy. Lippy, thank you very much for joining us here on ET Now. Happy Durga Puja to you.
Same to you.
Yes, so take us through the numbers. What do the numbers this year really look like? How much are organizers spending, not just you, but overall here, right here in Durga Puja, right here in CR Park?
In terms of budget, it would be somewhere, a median would be somewhere around 50 to 60 lakhs of budget that each pujo has. It can vary, approximately 50 to 60 lakhs of median value, what I would be quoting. In terms of revenue, it is huge. If you see, the sources of our revenue is majorly sponsorship and the stalls that we put in. We also have a lot of donation that keeps coming in form of pujo, but majorly we vouch on sponsorships and stalls. So we try to, usually the strategy behind keeping a gamut of different kind of stalls is to attract more and more crowd. There is a footfall of around more than 2-3 lakhs in fact during the pujo. The peak being Ashtami, which is this year Sunday, so we are expecting a flabbergasted crowd. Per day revenue, these stalls may vary from 90,000 to 80,000 per day.
The famous Bengali region in Delhi, the CR Park, is hosting 9 pandals this time on the occasion of Durga Puja. And today we are at one of those pandals which is themed after the new parliament. As we see at the entry, Satyamev Jayate written right at the entry of the pandal. And it's completely themed after the new parliament, which came into being recently a few months back. Now let's go inside and see what are the themes inside of the pandal here. As we see all around us inside of this new parliament theme pandal, we can see images of Subhash Chandra Bose, of Mahatma Gandhi, of Chhatrapati Shivaji, Chanakya, and even the ceiling of this pandal is made exactly how the new parliament looks like. We are seeing lots of people gathering in, all decked up in the festive spirit. We see all festive frenzy all around in the pandal, which has been decked up on the theme of the new parliament.